Good morning, my people. We're here. We're here hanging out. She's making fun of me. We have Cody's family here and my family, and we're going to the beach. We just went to breakfast. How do you feel?
Who are you?
What?
Oh my god, oh my god, it's Briana K.
Shut up. Shut up.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god.
We've got my mom here, and she's wearing her Briana K hat. Iced coffee. And then my dad, and he's got Jackson. Hi, buddy. You going to the beach today? Oh, you're going to the beach?
Hi, the vlog. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Are you smiling?
Say hi.
It's a video.
Say hi, Natalia. Say hi, I'm cute. I made us drive 20 minutes out of the way so we go to a beach where Jackson can go.
Extra.
I gotta take the baby to the beach. Huh. Mom and Dad were so sweet. We were like running a little late and I didn't have an umbrella for Jackson in case it gets hot. And so they went and got an umbrella for Jackson. So that was really sweet. So you can have a cute little umbrella to lay under, buddy. I'm not gonna bite Mom's hat. No. What are you doing? You having fun at the beach?
So fun.
He's gonna be exhausted. Camera is kind of sandy, but we're having so much fun. I'm drenched. I'm not drenched. I'm covered in sand. Oh, that's nice. Morning, my people. Jackson and I are about to go on a walk. He's waiting for me. So I'm going to the beach today with my cousin and my sister. Hold on, buddy, your leg's stuck. I'm going to the beach with them today. So I just want to wear out this little guy before I go. So basically my plan is I'm gonna take Jackson on a little walk. Then I'm gonna go to the gym and do like a little HIIT workout that I'll film for you guys. Then I'm gonna go to the beach, and I was just there yesterday, and I was there Sunday. I love them by the beach. It's my favorite thing in the whole entire world, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh, you gotta go to the bathroom? Okay, come here. We make him sit before he goes into the dog run. You ready to go? You're being patient? Go! So cute. Tired? Are you getting tired? Oh, you guys, I am defeated. I am drenched in sweat. Oh my god. Okay, so I was gonna do a HIIT full body circuit, but I push it so hard with cardio that I think I'm just gonna do like a little ab circuit and film that for you guys. Oh, and I kind of wanted to tell you guys what I did for cardio. So I just did like 20 minutes level 10 on the Stairmaster and just like caught up on some YouTube videos. I like using cardio as like me time where I can watch YouTube videos or just like kind of zone out from the world. So it felt really good, but I did want to quit when I was at like minute or at 10 minutes. I wanted to just be like, I'm done, throw it in the towel. But I kept going and I feel really good and I feel really accomplished. So yeah, let's do some abs and then let's eat because I'm starving.
Different view of my life.
as you guys know, I love Eggs Benedict, and normally like I won't make the hollandaise, but today I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try to make it, and it was on Pinterest, and I found this like blender hollandaise recipe, and I thought it might be kind of fun to make it for YouTube. My blender's like pushed away in like a little corner of my kitchen, and I need more room to work with, so blender. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh my god. These things are so sharp. This would happen to me. This would. Add in salt and hot sauce. Turn on the blender and blend until smooth. I feel like that should be good. Now it says, melt the butter in the microwave until steaming hot. Oh, it looks pretty good, actually. Oh, wow. I think I just made some hollandaise, so I'm gonna make the rest of the Benedict, and then I'll show you guys the finished product.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, so I'm actually extremely proud of myself. So I just have the beef, I have avocado and egg, and I'm just adding some like hollandaise to this. Oh my god, it looks so amazing.
Baby.
Loco, go loco.
Okay.
Sliding with the fofo.
I said enough back there.
Yeah. Now whip it the other way. There you go.
Look at me go. Am I still good?
Yeah, you're good, you're good, you're good.
Ooh. We're gonna get some sandwiches. So we have a feast. We got board and brew. It's like a Baja chicken, and it has jalapeno, cheese, chicken, onion, and the sauce is like what makes it so good. So we got a little feast. We have jalapeno chips. Oh my god. Me and Camille got the same thing. It looks amazing. How's your chicken club? Had a really fun day with Camille and Savannah. We went to the beach. It was kind of overcast, so then we went to the pool at my house. We kind of just like laid out for a little bit, and it was really fun. And now Babe and I are gonna go drive in his new car, which I've never even shown you guys yet.
I can't see anything.
We're gonna ride around Drop Top. Look how cute this car is. I love it so much. And it's stick shift, and Cody taught me how to drive the other day.
Stick day, did you know that?
Is it really?
Yeah.
Okay, well, insert clip of me learning how to drive stick here.
You can do some filming now, but
Okay. I'm ready. You ready?
go for it. Now shift a second. I go to third. Straight up. There you go. There you go.
I just love this car because it feels like you're in a spaceship. And then you open up the top and it's like a whole new world.
A whole new world.
This romper's from Target too. And I said in my last vlog I should do a Target summer haul, so I think that's gonna be the next video I film. I think it'd be a really cool video because this romper was like $14.99 and I've been wearing it all summer long.
Have you?
So now we're gonna go on a nice little sunset drive. We do this every once in a while.
I didn't even know you were filming.
Honestly, we did a lot more sunset drives before we got Jackson, and like recently I'm like crazy lady about taking him on a walk around like 6:37, but tonight I'm like, you know what? I took him on a walk this morning. We're just gonna enjoy the sunset and then probably take him on a little walk when we get home and just make him run around the dog park a little so he's tired. Is it really National Stick Shift Day?
Yeah. That's what I read. I don't know. I feel like it's National Something Day like every
It
single
was
day.
like Guinea Pig Appreciation Day yesterday.
Oh, you want me to drop top?
Yeah, drop top. Here we go.
I wonder how this night will be. The apple does not fall far from the tree. She said I almost died a week ago.
When you're needy, but he drives a stick shift.
Here we go. The countryside, the water so I wait up here, I just let it know. I wait along the corridor, some would say they seen